Hey guys, how's it going? How to make a habbo, how to craft a habbo. So basically what you're gonna do first, you need to craft, of course, your own habbo, and by you know doing that, you need to craft your game mechanic inside habbo that allows you to create new items from existing ones. If you have the correct items, you will always be able to craft. What items that you need to craft your own habbo, as well as crafting a table and correct items. You will need to know the correct crafting recipe. So basically, there is two types of crafting recipes: normal and secret. Normal recipe are visible inside the crafting table window, and secret recipe are not visible, and they require you to experiment with different quantities and types of item to discover them. Note, secret recipe are currently unavailable as they have been implemented in the modern client yet. Okay, so crafting tables comes in many different forms. Make sure to pay attention to the name of the item, as it will almost always be labeled clearly as a crafting table. They're only available during specific months. When they are available, you can find them in the shop, and when crafting tables are not available there, you can often find them in the marketplace, and they announce habbo, of course, they announce a release of crafting tables on their website, so make sure that you keep an eye on that. So if you want to know how to craft an item, firstly, you need to you need a crafting table. You can get these from the shop at the specific items of the year, and make sure that you keep an eye on their website, on the official habbo website, to know when they are available. Next, you need ingredients. These are either given out for free, or they are available for credits or dockets from the shop. Sometimes you will also be able to earn more through activities and competition. Okay, so place your crafting table in your room and double click it to begin. Select which ingredients and recipes that you want to use, then click the craft button. Note, the crafting table window will only show ingredients that are applicable to a specific table. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.